Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the refinance. What's going on in the refinance? What's the current price? What's the latest update of the refinancing? My friends, this video is going to surprise video for all of you, my friends. You will be feel very happy, very happy after watching this video. So never miss any second of this video because this video will make you happy, my friends. First of all, you can see that the changes of the refinance is positive. So you can see here that the last 1 day change is positive 2% and the last 1 hour change is positive 0.45%, my friends. So the change is positive and absolutely if the change is positive, so that's mean that refinance to the moon, my friends. Absolutely, refinance is now going to the moon. Are you ready to the moon, my friends? Absolutely, my friends. Now refinance start explosion, start jumping. Absolutely, if they start jumping, so I'm sure about that if refinance start jumping, so they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, you can see, my friends, I really love this kind of jumps, my friends. Really love this kind of jump, my friends. And you can see refinance also taken this kind of jump, and after some passage of time the price again falls down. But now the latest situation of the refinance is again going good. And my friends, I hope everything will be okay, my friends. Just wait, just patience. Absolutely, you get profit from a refinance, my friends. Anyways, the last 1 day changes is positive 2.16% and the highest price of the reef is 0.01365 USD dollar, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.